You ever feel like you're missing out on leads? They come to your website and they just disappear like a ghost. 99.9% of website visitors leave and never come back. If you're a business owner, you understand this pain. You think somebody's interested. They've maybe filled out a form. They followed you on social. They sent you a message. Maybe they even scheduled a call or abandoned cart, but they leave and you never hear from them again. It's because you're not following up the right way. I'm Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. And over the last 10 years, I've worked with over 2,500 brands, helping them with their follow-up. You can always learn more about me here. And today I'm gonna break down and share on my screen the exact follow-up system that we use and all of our clients use to follow up and increase conversion rates by 30%. And if you want this full diagram, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send this to you so you can copy it and implement it into your business. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like a flow that looks like this. We're gonna walk through where the leads are coming from, what they're doing on your website, the schedule page, the automated emails, to even the follow-up after they take an action. Now, if you're an e-commerce brand, you wanna replace schedule with abandoned cart. And what's gonna happen is you always wanna send your leads to a landing page that looks like this. Simple, to the point, this is what you're gonna get, and give them something of high value. That way, when they come to this page, they can give you their name and their email address, and then you can send them to a thank you page to build a better relationship. This is what the thank you page looks like after they access my blueprint. I keep it simple, I give them what they promise, and then I ask them to go check their email, schedule a call, or join our program. Another key here, get them to try to watch a video. So that's step one. I'm driving traffic from Google and YouTube and X. They're going to that landing page. And then from there, there's multiple steps to follow up. And you want to be able to follow up 5, 10, 15, 25 times with these leads because not everyone's ready to sign up today. So you might have somebody sign up tomorrow, in a week from now, in a month from now, even 3, 6, 12 months from now, if you follow up with these systems. So as soon as they hit your landing page, we want to target them with a pixel. This is where we're going to start showing them retargeting ads to remind them to come back. You want to assume most people, when they hit your website or landing page, are at a red light and the light turned green. Picking their kids up from school, the kids come out. So they're busy. They don't have time to take that action right away. Also want to allow them to buy or schedule right away because you're going to have a small percentage that will. From there, get them to that schedule page, show them some more information and education with some videos like a sales page, and just let them buy. But most people are going to go down funnel 2, where you want to start building relationships through email and send them a reminder email, send them a text message if you can, and then come back and remind them to schedule with you. From there, you can set up retargeting pixels to show them those ads, so now they're seeing you everywhere. Now, what we want to do is show the funnel. The funnel is where you're going to keep track of these leads. This is a GoHighLevel account that we use and we recommend, and under opportunities, I set up an automation follow-up. What happens is somebody comes into your landing page, we want to put them under the new lead pipeline here. And then from there, if they schedule with you, we want to automatically move them down the pipeline. Now that they've scheduled, we're going to set up another trigger to where if they showed up, we're going to send them down a follow-up call. And then we also want to make sure we send them some automated emails to nurture them to build that relationship until they finally sign the contract. And that's where this system comes in. They hit the landing page, we want to send them the automated emails, put them in your pipeline, encourage them to come back and schedule, and then that's where you want to add some more automation. From there, we want to make sure they show up for the schedule, we educate them a bit, and then if they don't buy, send them into our newsletter. So how that works is we set up a simple automation that looks something like this, and you can set this up for your business. If you want to try GoHighLevel and you want this exact system imported into your account for free, just comment that system down below and let us know if you want to sign up with our affiliate link. We'll import our entire template so you can get a head start with your CRM. What happens is once somebody fills out that landing page, we label them as a lead with a tag. Then we send them that automated email. We wait a day and then we wait and see if they schedule. If they schedule that new appointment with us, we're going to update that opportunity. Once they're updated an opportunity, they're going to automatically be here. So if you have any type of business, you're going to be able to watch and track your leads, go down your sales funnel using automation, using some AI to make sure the message gets out there. And then you'll be able to log in and just make sure that you're closing and showing up for those calls. From there, decide if they're going to do a follow-up call. If you reschedule their appointment, it's going to automatically move them down. We want to start educating them. So after the call, we want to provide some education to build value, give them more information. And then if they end up showing, we're going to turn them down into the opportunity nurture plan. Once they show up for your call, they're going to be moved down to the nurture. And that's where we want to build better relationships. Because like I said, even if somebody schedules a call today, and if you're an e-commerce brand, even if somebody abandons cart today, they might sign up tomorrow, next week, or next month. And then from there, we are going to send the contract. Now, if they end up signing the contract, we're going to update this automatically. If you use GoHighLevel, you can use templates down here under payments, and you can send a document to where if they sign that document and they end up paying you under payments, it'll automatically move them to one. Now you're going to head back to your dashboard and you're going to see that you had 4 new opportunities, you have 21,000 in value, and you closed 8K in your conversion. So what are you waiting for? Use this appointment sales follow-up system into your business. This is a good way to increase leads, keep track of your leads, and build better relationships with your leads to help you increase your profit. And if you have any salespeople or a sales team or marketing team, they can also set this up and automate it for them as well. What we want to do is take somebody that's never heard of you, build a relationship, keep track of it, follow up with them, and increase your sales. And like I said, if you want this full system, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send that over. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribed. And if you want to learn more about this marketing automation stuff, you can check out this playlist here. And until the next video, I hope you have a great day, and thanks again for watching.